Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Okay, so how am I going to add these decimals right here? First, I know these decimals right here, they are in line, so that's great. And let me just fill all the missing part with 0. So here, I'm going to put 0 right there. Here, I'm going to put 0 right there. Now I'm just going to add, like I'll add any whole number, starting from the right. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 plus 6 is 13. But I always put the 3, and I'm going to carry the 1 right here. And now I have 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And the decimal points, I'm just going to put it right there. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 0. For 0, I can choose not to bring it. So that will be it. 7.833. So that wasn't bad. Now let's see how I'm going to do this also. So this, where it is blank, I'm going to have to put 0 there also. And I'm adding, right? So starting from the right, 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. But I put the 2 and I'm going to carry the 1. But wait a minute, there's a decimal point. So I'm not going to forget that. I'm going to put my decimal point. So now I have the 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 9 is 12. So my answer is 12.28.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.